Hey people, so this is how we like to spend our time chilling, and I will not even mention the word RABBIT because this young man, it's a male rabbit that I have here. This young man immediately recognizes the word RABBIT. So he's the sweetest little guy. I don't even want to mention his name because then he becomes very alert. But basically, his name is Lucky. This is the first time ever I'm sitting and spelling out things on on my channel. I can't even use the spellings technique in front of my child because that's what my kid. He's better than me at spellings. But at this rate, this little guy here will also learn the words RABBIT, I think. But it's just, I would highly recommend people to get a RABBIT because they are the cutest pets that one could possibly have. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.